Advent. Meaning. Advent refers to the arrival or beginning of something important or significant, usually marking the start of a new era or event. Definition. Advent is a noun that signifies the introduction or emergence of something, often a notable development or innovation. Examples and sentences. 1. The advent of the Internet has revolutionized communication worldwide. Here, Advent refers to the introduction of the Internet, which brought significant change. 2. With the advent of electric vehicles, the automobile industry has entered a new era. In this sentence, Advent highlights the emergence of electric vehicles, marking a shift in the industry. Usage as Advent is typically used in formal or historical contexts to emphasize the arrival of a new concept, invention, or phase.
English practice.